Hello everyone, welcome to Hutch UK TV channel. Today I'm unboxing a gaming chair that I've bought for my wife because I love her very much and she's been really successful in her online streaming and getting 5k supporters, so well done. And it's a Secret Labs gaming chair, it's top of the range, and I'm going to show you the process of unboxing and building. I hope you enjoy it.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Hello everyone, so this is the chair assembled, and you saw how easy it was to assemble in that quick time lapse. Yeah, so this is the chair. It is one of Secret Labs' mid-level entry of the chairs they sell. There's a lot of chairs on the market that cost £150 to £200, and if you look at the reviews, they don't last for that very long, maybe 2 or 3 months, and they start creaking, making noises. You can't really go wrong with Secret Labs. You pay a lot extra, but in the long run they are durable and they withstand a lot of mistreatment, a lot of operations, and they're just generally better quality. So it's really worth spending the extra money to get a good chair. So I hope my wife appreciates it. That's it. Thank you for watching.